Take a ride in the 2022 Accord Hybrid. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find heated front seats, security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, 8 speakers, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tilt steering wheel, overhead console. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.